So in this video, I'm going to go through hip external rotation. What this is going to do is it's going to help improve your external rotation and give you more strength in range as well. So the first thing we want to do is we want to sit in a 90-90 position. So back leg wants to be at 90 degrees, including the foot as well. Front foot wants to be at 90. Okay, so knee directly in front of the hip. You don't want to be at here or here. We want to be 90. Pelvis wants to be an anterior tilt, so you're tilting it away from you and keeping your spine nice and tall. From that position, you're going to go into what's called a passive stretch. And as soon as you feel all of this stuff in here into your glute, you're going to hold that. You're going to hold that for around about a minute or so. Ideally, you want to do a couple of minutes, but for the purpose of this 5 minute mobility, you're going to do a minute hold. So once you feel that stretch, you want to make sure also that your spine doesn't come into flexion. Okay, so you don't want to be here. As soon as you come into that position, you're going to lose that stretch completely. So once you've got into your position, spine nice and long, you reach that stretch, you're going to hold there for about a minute or so, and then we're going to go into some pails and rails, which is basically isometric contraction. Nothing is moving at all. So your first one is a pail, so progressive angular isometric load. So we're going to look to push the foot down into the ground. So it's as if you're actually pushing the foot that way. Once you've done that, all of this stuff in here into your glute is going to contract, okay? When you're doing it, you go to your safest possible effort. So we're going to go into a pail now, so I'm going to push my foot down into the ground. So I'm going to go here. So first off, 25%. Then 50%, 75%, 80, 90, 100%. And I'm squeezing my fist, I'm irradiating my whole body to generate as much tension as I can. Once I've done that, I'm going to relax this contraction. Now I'm going to push my knee into the ground and try and lift my foot to contract all of this stuff into here. Okay, all the stuff on the inside of the thigh. So I'm going to think about rotating my femur this way. So I'm maintaining my position, and then from here, I'm going to try and lift that up. Keep squeezing as hard as I can into all of this here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from there, what we're going to go into is some passive range holds. So I'm going to go into my elbow here, kick my leg out to the side, and then all I'm going to do is reach, grab hold of my foot into a passive hold, and then hold there. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to do 5 reps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from there, we'll go on to the other side. Again, making sure we've got a 90-degree angle in the front leg and the back leg. Anterior tilt the pelvis, keeping the spine nice and long, feeling that stretch into the glute. Lean forward, now I feel that stretch. Again, hold for a minute. It's important to remember when you're doing this as well, you don't want any pain. The idea of this is to not have any pain or anything like that. So if I'm coming towards the end of my minute now, I'm going to drive my foot into the ground. So I'm here, 25%, 50, 75, 80, 90, 100%. And you can hear my breathing as well. So this is like literally max effort. So it's important as well. Mobility is strength training. So from there, I'm going to drive my knee into the ground, trying to lift my foot again. Nothing is moving, so we're going to go into a rail, which is regressive angular isometric load. So there, I'm squeezing all into this stuff here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. The passive range holds. So here, grab hold, pull the foot, and hold. 5 reps, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you'll find you'll be able to pull a bit higher every time. 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, so that's external rotation done. That's your 5-minute mobility. So again, if you're not breathing heavy, if you're not sweating, you ain't doing it right.